Hello, we have a big sale for you out here at Rancho Haven, and it's well worth the drive to come out. The house is full of collectibles, artwork, fine art, just about anything for everyone. Carved ducks, fishing tackle, tools, garden items, and much more. Please take a look. It is Thursday, Friday and Saturday, July 18th, 19th and 20th, 8:30 to 2 o'clock daily. The ad does not do it justice. It is full here. We have antique saddles as well as modern usable saddles in Western and English. Hardly any general household items in this sale. There's a little bit, but not much. Mostly collectibles, outdoor items, and fine art. We have African, Alaskan, Southwest, Western, European, Nevada, California art, HO train items. Probably 100 pieces of fine art. Most is original watercolors and paintings, but there are some prints. We have Waterford marquee. Small furniture, decorative items, end tables, mirrors, but no large furniture. Craft items include wool and wool blend yarn, knitting needles, Rowenta commercial ironing board and iron, outdoors, we have pet supplies, branding irons, fishing tackle, general household maintenance tools, flower pots, and vacuum. Just a broad variety of items. We even have rusty artifacts for you to make your own. Geologic specimens, including quartz, petrified wood. We even have seashells. Slate tile, and finally protective cones for your new tree, shrub, and flower plantings. See you Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Bye-bye.